everyone, today we have a Fashion Nova curve haul, and this one is dresses and lingerie. Okay, so Fashion Nova sent me some pieces to show you guys some options for Valentine's Day. I thought this would be a really good time to show you some cute dresses and some really cute lingerie pieces that they have. Really depends on how you spend your Valentine's Day, but no matter how you're gonna do it, you know, with someone or alone at Taco Bell, I got you covered. So the first thing is what I'm wearing. This is a leopard print dress. I love leopard print. This one is a long sleeve mock neck bodycon. You're gonna see it in the try on haul. I'm gonna stand up anyways, but I really love how this fits. It is again a bodycon, but I'm not getting like any major lumps or bumps. Like I'm wearing regular underwear with this. So I really like how it fits. It's also hitting me right at the knee. So it's a lot of really good coverage without being too overly covered. So I really like how this fits. It's also really stretchy. It's not lined, but it's also not see-through. You know when you stretch something out and you can like see through it? I'm not getting that in this. It was really easy to get into. There's 2 buttons in the back for the mock neck, and I was able to do it myself. Sometimes you're like calling for help, but I was able to do it myself. The buttons are really stretchy. So I really like how this fits. Also, once I had it on, I was like, I really like the top effect of this. I might put a skirt on the bottom and then have like this as like a top. So I really like that it can go as a dress, or you can use it as a top and just put a skirt on over the bottom. So I was really, really pleased with this one. Do have all my prices, let's see. So this one is in a 2X and it was $24.99, and like I always say, Fashion Nova always runs promo, so you're gonna get it cheaper than this. So it's a really good quality for a really good price. So then next we have the state flag of New Jersey, another leopard dress. So this one is a spaghetti strap dress. Again, it's kind of long, it goes to about my knees. This one is lined. I was so impressed when I got this out of the package. I was like, wow, it's lined, it's really warm. It's kind of like a flannel-ish material. So I was really impressed by this when I got it out of the bag. This one does have a zipper in the back. I didn't mess with that at all. I put this on right over my head. I had no issues of it being tight or anything. This one is also a 2X and I felt like the fit was great. This doesn't have adjustable straps, but these are just the right amount where I wasn't like too low, too high or anything. So this sat at a really good place on me. It also has a little bit of stretch, so it'll hug your body really well without like it being bursting at the seams. So again, I was really, really impressed. So clearly I am on a cheetah kick. I feel like a cheetah girl or Mel B, because she definitely rocked the cheetah in the Spice Girls. So like I said, I'm from New Jersey. Animal print is a basic to me. I love cheetah print. And I just think these are really fun pieces to wear to a party or a concert. And even this, I can wear this out and about in my everyday life. Like I said, just put a skirt on underneath, and I think this is a really cute top. Okay, next we are moving on to the lingerie portion of the video. So if you know me in real life, like stop watching, that's kind of weird. But for the rest of you, game on. So the first thing is my favorite piece that I got. This is so cute. This is a baby doll kind of cover up. So red and lacy. The whole top part is lace. Cute little cap sleeve, so it's a little bit more covered. And then it's a baby doll down here. It really flows away from the body nicely. I love this bow in the back. It's so cute. So it's kind of like you're unwrapping a present, aka your butt, that's gonna be like right here. But I thought it was really cute. In the try on, I am wearing a bra and underwear set with this, but you know, decide however you want to wear it. But I just thought this was really cute. I also got this in a 2X and it does skim off me really well. I will leave my measurements down below if you want to know those for fit purposes, but I just thought this was so cute. This also came with a little thing of underwear. I'm never gonna use this. I always keep these as like just in case. You know, just in case all of my underwear go missing, but that hasn't happened. But I do keep these, I don't know why, but it does come with the matching underwear. If that's what you're into, like if you wear these, boom, you got a new, like essentially free pair of underwear, because this whole set together was $19.99. So you're getting 2 pieces for $19.99. So that's a really good deal, especially when like the top alone is worth that. This is so cute. So before we get to the really sexy lingerie, I'll show you a little sleep set I got. So this one was like a satiny inspired sleep set. So the first part is the bottom. So some nice sleep shorts. I got these in a 2X, and honestly, I could have sized down to a 1X. They're very stretchy and pretty long because I'm always worried about shorts like this just going straight up my butt. But these were pretty long, so I was really happy with the length on these. So I could have went down to a 1X, but very impressed with the coverage on this. And then they come with a matching top. So again, like that satiny finish in a tank top. And I got this in a really nice burgundy. I thought that was really cute. Definitely different than the typical Valentine's Day red and pinks you would see. So I thought that was really cute. It has the lace trim, adjustable straps, which I like. I wore this without a bra in the try on part, so my boobs are a little not great. But just so you can see what it's gonna look like as you would wear it to bed, which you probably would. So really comfy and a really cute set. So this whole set was $22.99. So again, not a bad price when you're getting 2 items. So now we have like the really sexy lingerie, the teddies, those like bodysuit lingeries. This one I saw on Sometimes Glam, and she had the leopard print one, and I thought it looked so good on her. She kind of wore it as an everyday piece of clothing. She put on jeans with it, and it looked like a really, really hot top, but it looked really, really cute. So I knew I wanted to get it, but since I already got so much leopard print, I was like, let me get like the tan and black. So it is like this piece of lingerie, very, very strappy. So you do have cups and you do have wire here. And then there's a lace overlay over that. And then the adjustable straps. And then back here, strappy across the back. It's strappy between your boobs. So there's a lot going on. I do love a cagey boob, so I really like that. And then around the torso and down the middle, so it's like lace mesh, and it just looks really cute. It comes together really well, and it all kind of gathers in that middle part, and it really brings you in. It looks really, really cute. So when I saw this on her, I was like, I really, really want that. It went on my wish list, and then I went decided on these colors, and I think this looks really cute. Also, the back, super detailed, really cute. This one does give that really cheeky look. Like, I don't have a butt, but my butt looked really, really good. I'm not gonna show you in the try-on because, like, I'm already showing a lot. I don't need to show my butt on YouTube. Maybe one day if I get really desperate, that'll be like Patreon footage, but like right now, you don't need to see my butt. But it looked really good, very good in this, and I don't have a butt, so that's saying a lot. So I was very, very impressed with this. This was also $19.99, so really good price for a really, really cute piece of lingerie. And you know, you could be wearing these for someone, or you could be wearing these as an Instagram thirst trap. Like however you want to wear this, wherever you want to wear it, they're perfect for that purpose. Oh, I should mention that one and this one have the straps at the bottom, so if getting in is an issue, there's a few ways to get in, but getting off shouldn't be an issue. This one they had in a few different colors. So I went with this mauve pink, and I just thought this was really cute. Again, just kind of like a bodysuit style lingerie piece, but it has an extra thing of straps here in the front, so they'll go across your boobs like this, and it has the same thing in the back, so it's really strappy, really cute. I wore this without a bra in the try-on, but I feel like if I was gonna wear this again, I would again try and do it as an outerwear piece, maybe do like a cute bralette or a really strappy black bra, just to have like a lot going on the boobs. But I really like the lace on this. The color on this is so cute, but like I said, they had a bunch of different other colors, but I don't see this often enough that I was like, let's get the cute mauve. So I really, really like this one. Adjustable straps, like I said, snap here so you can get in and out as you need to. But I just thought this was really cute and really pretty, nice and feminine with the mesh and the lace, but I just thought it was really, really cute. So I picked that one up. Okay, my battery is dying, but hopefully that was helpful to you. Find some pieces for Valentine's Day. Like I said, if you want to wear it for someone, yes. If you want to wear it for Instagram, yes. If you want a leopard dress, yes. I just think these are all really good options for Valentine's Day. I tried to pick a few different colors, a few different styles to kind of, you know, show everyone a bunch of different kind of stuff. So hopefully that was helpful to you as a consumer. And if you're just a pervert who wanted to see me in lingerie, thank you for watching. I just want to thank everyone else for watching, and if there's anything that's still available on the website, I will link that down below. Also, I have a promo code that I'll put down there too. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!